Have you ever broken the head off a nail while trying to remove it and didn't know what to do next? It is incredibly frustrating because a standard hammer has nothing left to grip and it will just slide right off the metal stem every single time you try to pull. Instead of giving up or damaging the wood, try this clever workshop hack using an old drill chuck. First, place the chuck directly over the headless nail. Then, begin tightening it down by hand before using the chuck key to lock it firmly in place. You want to make sure it has a rock-solid grip on the nail, so it doesn't slip when you apply pressure. Once it is fully secured, place your hammer underneath the chuck to create leverage. As you pull back on the hammer handle, the chuck will lift the nail straight out of the wood with very little effort. It works like magic and leaves your wood surface clean and professional. This simple trick makes an impossible job easy and will save you a lot of time on your next project. A leaky garden hose can be a real pain, but simply wrapping it in tape usually doesn't do the trick. You can see here that the water pressure just pushes right through, making the tape useless. To fix it properly, start by cutting the hose right where the leak is located. Next, cut off a small piece from one end of the hose to create a makeshift coupler. Slice this small piece lengthwise so it can be opened up and wrapped around the joint. Slide the two main pieces of the hose together and then position your homemade sleeve over the cut. This provides much needed structural support. Finally, wrap the entire section tightly with electrical tape. Because the sleeve is holding the pieces in place, the tape can now create a watertight seal. Now, your hose is as good as new and ready for the garden again.